In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save captured photos and videos directly to the SD card on the Samsung Galaxy A15. The first step is to open the camera app, and once open, tap on the settings icon in the top left corner. Then look for the option labeled Storage Location. Tap on that and select SD card. Then you can go back to your main camera, and you'll notice that now when you take an image and you open it in the camera roll, when you tap on the details button, you should see that the location has now been changed to SD card. So any photos that I'll be taking from now on will be saved to my SD card automatically. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.